In order to arm the evacuation device, the safety pin with the red flag must be removed and stored away. Push the arming control lever down. The red armed, green disarmed indicator must show armed. If someone opens the arm door from the outside by moving up the exterior control handle, the slide arming lever moves automatically to the disarmed position, which avoids accidental slide deployment. To disarm the door, lift the arming control lever fully up. The armed-disarmed indicator must be green and indicate disarmed. Install the safety pin with the red flag to avoid inadvertent movement of the arming lever. Before normal door opening, check that the arming lever is in the disarmed position. Check that the cabin pressure indicator is not flashing. Hold the assist handle on the door frame. Lift the door control handle fully up. Push the door outward. Move the door forward by using the door assist handle. The door locks when it is in fully open position. For closing, push the gust lock and move the door rearward towards the frame. With the help of the door assist handle, pull the door in. Lower the control handle. The locking indicator turns from red to green, which indicates correct locking. Labels next to the exterior handle indicate how to open the door from the outside. Check through the observation window that the cabin pressure indicator does not flash. Push the flap in and grasp the handle. Lift it fully up to the horizontal green line. Pull the door outwards and push forward until it locks in the fully open position. For safety reasons, lower the handle into its recess. Prior to closing, push the gust lock to unlock the door. Lift the control handle and move the door towards the frame. Push the door in and lower the control handle. The door is locked when the handle is flush with the fuselage. In case of emergency opening, check that the arming lever is in the armed position. Hold the frame assist handle. Check the conditions outside. Pull the door control handle rapidly fully up and release it. Door opens and locks automatically. Protect the exit until safe for evacuation.
Overwing exit operation. 2 emergency exits are located over each wing. The exits can be opened from the outside and the inside. Inside opening instructions are placarded on the exit frame. To open an exit, the cover flap must be removed. The slide-armed indicator illuminates white immediately. To unlock the latch mechanism, the control handle must be used. Pull down the control handle and pull the exit top inwards. With a free hand, grasp the lower grip mould and lift the exit. Turn the exit inward and throw it out away from the opening. Should the exit opening not initialize the automatic slide deployment, the red handle must be pulled for manual deployment. If a ditching line is provided, it has to be fixed to the yellow fittings located in the exit frame and on the wing.